Hello students, this is question number 6 of exercise 1.3 of NCERT textbook. Question is the certain freezing process required the room temperature to be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. That means we have to decrease the temperature from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius per hour. That means for every hour temperature will be lowered by 5 degrees Celsius. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begin? Okay, let us visualize this on the number line first. Suppose process started at this point at 12 p.m. and at this time temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. So at 12 p.m. temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. After 1 hour, that is 1 p.m., the temperature should be reduced by 5 degrees Celsius. So minus 5. So that should be 35 degrees Celsius. So in this way, we have to monitor the temperature after 10 hours. So this is after 1 hour. So after at 10 p.m. we will monitor the temperature, because 1 hour after 12 p.m. is 1 p.m., 2 hour after 12 p.m. will be 2 p.m. and so on. So we first calculate total decrease in temperature, that will be equal to 10 hour multiplied by, we will consider the decrease as 5 degrees Celsius. We will consider the decrease as 5 degrees Celsius. So it will be 10 hour into minus 5 degrees Celsius. So total decrease will be 10 into 5. 10 we will consider no sign, so it will be positive. Positive into negative, that will be negative. 10 into 5, that is 50. So it is 5 degrees Celsius per hour. So total will be minus 50 degrees Celsius, total decrease. So at 10 p.m. the temperature will be 40 degrees Celsius minus 50 degrees Celsius, that will be equal to minus 10 degrees Celsius. The sign of 40 degrees Celsius is positive, positive 40 degrees Celsius, and decrease is minus 50. So let us represent the decrease by the red line here. So this is the decrease of minus 50 degrees Celsius from this point, and at this point, that is after 10 hours, this temperature will be minus 10 degrees Celsius, and this is our answer also. So our answer is the temperature after 10 hours will be minus 10 degrees Celsius.